Hello, my little sweetheart. Make yourself comfortable, and I will tell you the story of Nubi, the little cloud creator. Once upon a time, in a very quiet sky, there was a little cloud named Nubi. Nubi wasn't very big, not very impressive. He looked more like a soft, fluffy pillow. But Nubi had a secret. He knew that whatever he imagined with his heart could come true. When he saw a tired bird, he closed his eyes and thought very hard. Made this bird feel light and happy. And up, his body became so soft that the bird could rest on him. When he saw a flower that looked a little sad, he imagined, may this flower find its joy again. And gently, tiny sparkling droplets fell from him like kisses of light. One day, the big gray clouds made fun of him. Look at this little cloud. You don't make storms. You don't make thunder. You're not strong like us. Nubi felt small. But then he remembered, when I think with love, I create. So he smiled and kept following his heart. One morning, the whole village woke up in a bad mood. The children argued. The parents were in a hurry. Even the dogs barked too loudly. So Nubi rose up high, took a deep breath, and imagined very, very strongly. May this village find peace and joy again. All at once he stretched his wide like a giant pillow, and a fine, gentle, shimmering rain fell from the sky. The children lifted their eyes. The drops sparkled like tiny stars. Without knowing why, they started to laugh and run under the rain. The parents felt their hearts soften, and even the dogs began to play. That night, the whole village fell asleep happy. And from that day on, whenever a child sees a little round cloud in the sky, they remember, I too, with my heart and my imagination, can create a gentle world. Here's a little phrase you can repeat before falling asleep. With my heart and my thoughts, I create joy all around me. There you go. Sleep well. See you soon. Kisses.